What's going on, guys? I'm sitting in a 2002 F150 and I've got a problem with my power mirror switch. It can send the mirror to the left, down, and up, but it won't send it to the right. So I've got a new switch here and I'm going to show you how to replace it. So you pop this trim piece up here and then you slide it forward. Mine is easy to do because it's broken right there. You'll have to use a little more force on yours. Then you disconnect this and you're gonna have to push in on these two plastic tabs. And you basically want the switch to pop through. I might have to put the camera down or hold it up like this. Just like that. And I've got the new switch here. Let's see, I've got it in backwards. There we go. Clicks in. And you connect the electrical connector. This tab goes underneath the panel and slides back. And then you push that down. And now your power mirrors will work.